Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Toyota Yaris key fob. First, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. It's also a good idea to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. This simple preparation makes the whole process much smoother. Now, let's get to opening the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam, usually on the side. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a careful twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Take your time here to avoid damaging the plastic housing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, just like we're keeping our key fobs running smoothly, why not upgrade your home's clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is fantastic for hands-free cleaning. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are seated correctly. Then, gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test your key fob with your Toyota Yaris to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.